get ready for the most delicious gluten-free coffee cake. Wait, I'm going to take that a step farther. The most amazing coffee cake you've ever eaten. It starts with eggs. Whip those up till they're nice and creamy. That matters. Helps with the texture and the rise. Add all your wet ingredients together. Next comes the flour, and the flour that you use is super important. I used King Arthur measure for measure. You can see all my recommendations on the web post. Be sure to add the buttermilk that I forgot to put in the video. The batter is going to be lumpy. That's okay. You want to be really careful not to overmix because that will deflate it and will prevent it rising super high. Make sure that your pan is nice and greased, but just on the bottom and in the corners so that it can climb up the sides. That also helps with the rise. Lots of streusel topping because that's the best. You're going to want to gently pat it down so that when you take it out, it stays connected to your coffee cake. Starting out at a high temperature and then decreasing it with the oven door closed is what gives it such a fantastic rise. Look at how moist it is. Grab the recipe on my site.